Sorkar Meghalaya ha kajing terelang batkan National Law University. Kalapan long ke Prokram Pynshai yang jingtip nak Bynta ki principal kinong hikai bagi kena puli Jong ki Higher Secondary School Meghalaya. Ka National Law University Meghalaya kadeka National Law University ke baningkong ha ke jela. Ya kini ke jaka puli la seng hapo ka jela ringkat ke jingtmu ban kintiu ke rukom ai jing hikai ha ka liang ki an pat kelai ke Indian legal system ling ba ke jingwat bnia bat ke policy intervention. Chief guest ha kini ke Prokram ulong Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court Justice Sanjeev Paniji. Chief Justice ula batai bnia syapang ke National Law University. Dangshen ke National Law University Meghalaya kalat Thung yo Professor Dr. Indrajit Dubey como Vice Chancellor bening kong Jongka. Ke National Law University Meghalaya kadai kabatmai do na pedeng baro ke National Law University. Kepala seng lingba ke National Law University Act 8000 RPR. Hakaba ondon shwa tang riu pongut ki kena pule hakaba sedang.
Test which will be conducted.
This institution has come up with the greatest of cooperation and help from the state government. We've already had 2 governing council meetings, including the first which was jointly held with the Executive Council. We have prepared our budget. We will be completely transparent in how we function. Everything will be on the website. And today we have some firm timelines in place. Advertisements have already been published for the faculty. In due course, we will be putting out advertisements for recruiting staff.